this is the question number 12 first. Here it is 64 by 125 to the power minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 256 by 625 power 1 by 4, and here plus root 25 by cube root of 64 whole to the power 0. So first of all we'll make the power positive here. So what we'll do here, first of all this we have written as it is 64 by 125 power minus 2 by 3. Divide sign is there, so to make it into we just have to do the reciprocal of it. So what will it become? 256 by 625 to the power 1 by 4 plus this will become 1 because anything to the power 0 equals to 1. So this whole expression's value is 1. Now 64 means it's 4 cube and 125 means 5's cube. So what we have written, it's 4 by 5 whole cube and power is minus 2 by 3 again into 256. So 256 and here it is 625. So do the prime factorization of 256 and 625 here. So 625 we got 5 to the power 4 and 256 we want to make it 4 because here the denominator is 4. So we found it as 8 times 8. So we made it the 4 pairs. So in each pair 4 is coming. So it will become 4 to the power 4. So 256 means we'll write it as 4 by this will be 4 and this is 5. So 256 means 4 to the power 4 and this is 5 to the power 4. So here 4 by 5 to the power 3 into minus 2 by 3, the powers will be multiplied, into 4 by 5, here also the powers will be multiplied. So 4 and 4 and this is to plus 1. Now this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled. So 4 by 5 to the power minus 2 into this is 4 and 4 cancelled. So it is only 4 by 5 plus 1. Now let's make the power positive. So do the reciprocal. So it is 5 by 4 whole square into 4 by 5 plus 1. Now 5 square is 25 and 4 square is 16. So 25 by 16 into 4 by 5 plus 1. Now this will be getting cancelled. 5 5s are 25 and 4 4s are 16. So 5 by 4 plus 1. Now take the LCM. So it's 4. So it's 5 plus 4, 9 by 4. So now if you convert it, it will become mixed fraction 2 whole 1 by 4. Now question number 12 second. 5 to the power n plus 3 minus 6 into 5 to the power n plus 1 by 9 into 5 to the power n minus 2 square into 5 to the power n. Now 5 to the power n plus 3 can be written as 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 3 because we know the law, that is a to the power m into a to the power n, that is equals to a to the power m plus n. This law we already know. A to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. So that is why it is already added. That means here how can it be splitted? 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 3 minus 6 into, here also n plus 1 was there. So we can write it 6 into 5 to the power n into 5 to the power 1. And in the denominator 9 into 5 to the power n as it is, and here minus 2 square into 5 to the power n. Why we have splitted here? Because in the denominator we have found it's 5 to the power n. So to get it common we just have splitted it. Now 5 to the power n if you take common, you'll get it as 5 cube minus 6 into 5. And here also 5 to the power n if you take common, you'll get 9 minus 2 square. So now this 5 to the power n and 5 to the power n will be cancelled. So it's 5 cube minus 6 5s are 30, 9 minus 2 square, that is 4. Now 5 cube is 125 minus 30 by 5. If you subtract, you'll get it as 95 by 5. So answer will be coming 19. Now question number 13's first is 64 to the power 2 by 3 minus 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 8 to the power 0 whole to the power 1 by 2. Now 64 can be written as 4's cube to the power 2 by 3. To make the power positive here, we just have to make its reciprocal according to this law. So it's 2. We'll write it as 1 by 2 whole square divided by 8 to the power 0 will become 1 because anything to the power 0 is 1. Now this power will be multiplied. So 4, 3 into 2 by 3 and this 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So we'll get here 4 square. Now 1 by 2 square, so it will become 1 by 4 divided by 1. Anything divided by 1 is same value, so we have not written it. Now 4 square means 16 into 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 by 2. Now here 4 4s are 16. So 4 to the power minus 1 by 2. Now 4 we can write it as 2 square. So 2 square into minus 1 by 2. So this 2 and 2 is cancelled. So 2 to the power minus 1. So that is equals to 1 by 2. Now again 13 second is here. 3 to the power n into 9 to the power n plus 1 divided by 3 to the power n minus 1 into 9 to the power n minus 1. So 3 to the power n into 9 means we'll write it as 3 square to the power n plus 1. Divide means we'll give the divide sign like this by 3 to the power n minus 1 and 9 means we'll write it as 3 square to the power n minus 1. Now we'll simplify 3 to the power n into this powers will be multiplied. So 2n plus 2 ones are 2. Divide by 3 to the power n minus 1 into 3 is 2 to the power n minus 2 ones are 2. Now this is 3 to the power the same base with different powers. So using this law, a to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. We'll just add the powers. So n plus 2n plus 2 and here 3 to the power n minus 1 plus 2n minus 2. Now simplify, we'll get it as 3 to the power 2n plus n, that is 3n plus 2, and here 3 to the power 2n plus n means 3n minus 3. Now again this law is there, a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. Here also by sign is there, so we have to subtract the powers. So 3 to the power 3n plus 2 minus 3n minus 3. So it's 3 to the power 3n plus 2 minus 3n minus plus 3. Now this plus 3n and minus 3n will be cancelled. So we'll be getting as 3 to the power 2 plus 3, that is 5. And 3 to the power 5 will become, if you multiply for 5 times 3, you'll be getting as 243.